This is the S107G by Syma. First of all, only fly this indoors. Do not fly it outdoors. The infrared on the transmitter itself. Move this up a bit here so you can see it. The infrared will sort of screw up in the sun, okay? It comes with one prop. Got the instructions here, charger, and the remote control. The remote control takes 6 AA batteries, okay? It's got 2 charging sources too for this bird, okay? Pull this out of here. Actually, there it is right there. You can see it in the side here, right here. And all you have to do is plug this into here like that. So it's in the side. That's one way. That's from the wall with the USB. Or you can charge it directly from the remote control, okay? Now I'll put this back in here and get this done. There we go then. See how it all just goes away? And it's a nice transmitter, man. Anyways, give you some specs on this. The RC distance is 30 meters. It's a lithium built-in battery. Charge time is 20 to 30 minutes. The weight is 111 grams. It's way under the legal limit. The flight time is 7 to 10 minutes. Let me see. Glisten, red light, helicopter, fully charged. So when the red light's on your USB here, when it's on, it's fully charged. When you have it on this, you turn this on, and that will turn to red when it's charging, okay? And it'll turn to green when it's fully charged. Okay, that's that. And just read through your booklet, you'll see everything there. Why don't we go and take this puppy for a little fly there. Okay, see you in a bit. Amazing.